Ever seen text looking back at you from your screen and wondered why it's flipped inside out? In the world of graphic design, mirroring text in Photoshop isn't usually a mistake. It's a deliberate creative choice. Let's dive into why designers opt for this unique typographic approach. One of the most common reasons is to achieve a striking visual effect. Mirrored text can instantly add depth, create a sense of reflection, or even imply a duality within a design. Imagine a poster where the headline is mirrored beneath itself, creating a powerful symmetrical balance, or a company logo that uses mirrored text to convey stability and a grounded yet forward-thinking identity. Beyond aesthetics, mirrored text can also be used strategically to address specific layout challenges. Sometimes, in complex compositions, flipping text can help it align with other elements, create visual pathways, or break up monotony without sacrificing readability. Think about packaging design. Mirrored text can create the illusion of a reflection, making a product appear more dynamic or enhancing its perceived value by associating it with a sense of luxury or sophistication. Achieving this in Photoshop is surprisingly straightforward, often involving simple transformations within your text layers. It's a tool that opens up a world of creative typography, pushing beyond the expected. So, the next time you encounter mirrored text, remember it's likely a thoughtful design decision. Adding a layer of visual intrigue and purpose, it's a testament to how designers play with perception and convention to build compelling visuals.